First up to how to add a filter in Capcut Mobile free tutorial. Make sure
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
your video is selected and highlighted. As you can see, go down to the right and scroll to the right. You see the option which says filters next to video quality and basic. Click on it. And click on the pro feature, which is next to featured in life. The filter that you would like. In this case, I'm scrolling to the right and I choose a free Capcut Mobile. In this case, I'm going to choose this filter over here, which says gray. Click on it. It should apply it onto your video clip or footage. Below, you can even drag this to the right to apply more of the filter and click the checkmark icon. What we have, or should I say this is the before. This is the after. Completely for free.